Alright class, so what did we learn yesterday about comparing and contrasting? Is greater than, less than, and equal to, that's correct. So, we're going to review about place value. What is place value?
The number chart that you put numbers in.
It's about the place and all. The place and number is that. So 452, so we're going to review. So, what number is the place value of the tens? Right?
50.
50 is 5, so 50 is 50. What about the ones? Oh, 2, correct. So 2, so we've got 2 ones, and then the hundreds? 400, alright. So which one has the greatest place value? 4, 5, or 2? Y'all can all just give the answer.
4.
4 because it's in the what place?
Hundreds.
Hundreds place, correct. Alright. So yesterday we had homework. We did the 2-digit numbers. So let's all look at our homework real quick, okay? So when we do our homework, the first one here, 45 and 23. So 45 is greater than, less than, or equal to 23?
Greater than.
It is greater than, correct. Let's just go down in the list. 15 is less than, greater than, or equal to the 54?
Less.
Less than, correct. Alright, 21. 21 is less than, greater than, or equal to the 52? Hunter? Less than, correct. Alright, let's try this one. 54 is what? Less than, greater than, or equal to 54? Just say it for me. Let's go. Equal to, correct. Come on, say it. Equal to.
Equal to.
Alright, why is it equal? Because both of them have the same. Same, correct. Alright. Yes, ma'am.
I have a question. Can numbers be equal if they're not like the same or something?
No, they can't be equal. They have to be each place value. So let's go with 54. 54. 54. So all the numbers have to be the exact same in the place value. So what's in the place value here? What's in the ones? 4, correct. What's in the place value here in the ones?
5.
No, in the ones here.
4.
4. So both of them have ones that are.
4.
Okay, what about here in the tens?
5.
5. What about here in the tens?
5.
Are they the same?
Yes.
So the same means they're what?
Equal to.
Equal to, correct. So they all have to be the same. So say if I had on the test a true or false, let me see this. Let's do a couple of them. Alright, look at number 1. 45 is equal to 54. Is that true or false?
False.
False. Why is it false?
Because in the ones place it's 4, and then it's 5. They're not the same.
So what they did is they swapped the numbers, right? So don't get confused on it. So in the first number, 45, we have a 4 in the tens and a 5 in the ones. Well, then they swapped it around, and over here we have a 5 in the tens and a 4 in the ones. So they are not equal to, so this is false. Alright, number 2, 36 is equal to 36. True or false?
True.
True, right. What do we have in the tens here?
3.
What do we have in the tens here?
3.
3. What do we have in the ones?
6.
What do we have in the ones here?
6.
So we have 3 tens, 6 ones. We have 3 tens and 6 ones. Are they the same?
Yes.
So that means they're equal to, correct?
Equal to.
Alright, so that is true. So look at here, 23 is equal to 32. Is that correct? Yes or no?
No.
No, so that is false. What do we have here in the tens?
2.
2. What do we have in the tens here? 3. What do we have in the ones?
3.
What do we have in
2.
2? So what do? They just reverse the numbers. Trying to be funny, huh? They're trying to get, they swap it around, that's right.
It'd be 3.
So is 2 tens equal to 3 tens?
No.
No. So that is false.
That is equal false.
That is false, correct. So today we're going to work on, yesterday we worked on 2 digits. Today we're going to work on 3 digits. That's right. So 3-digit numbers. when we work with 3-digit numbers, what's the highest value, place value there? Just say it. Hundreds, that's right. So when we have 3 digits, we're gonna have hundreds. What's here the second?
Tens.
Tens, and what's in the last?
Ones.
Ones. When we're comparing numbers, what do? Do we do 1 in 3 digits? Do we compare first the ones, the tens, or the hundreds? It's the same as the 2 digits. Oh, damn it. Hundreds, that's right. Oh. Alright, so here we're going to compare the hundreds. We always start on the left-hand side, correct?
Yes.
When we have the same number of digits, we always start comparing in the highest place value, which is in 3 digits is what again?
The hundreds.
Hundreds, that's correct. So let's do one here. 327 is greater than, less than, or equal to 222. So 327, 222. Which number are we going to look for first? What are we looking for first? Let's say it.
The hundreds.
Hundreds, okay. So what's in the hundreds here?
3.
3. What we have in the hundreds over here?
2.
2. So is 3 greater than, less than, or equal to the 2?
Greater.
Greater than. So, am I right?
No.
What do I have up here?
3.
3 is,
Less than 2.
make sure you have the right way. Which way is the mouse supposed to be open to? Go ahead.
3.
But it's always the
Greater than.
greater number, that's right. So when we're comparing, when we make sure that when we put our symbol up, greater than, less than, or equal to, the equal is easy because it's just 2 lines. But when we do greater than or less than, we always want the mouth to be open to the bigger number. So say this with me together. 327 is,
Greater than.
alright, let's try that again. 327 is
Greater than
222. Correct. Yes.
Sometimes Miss Dollar used to say that the alligator is usually gonna eat the biggest prey. So how we would do? Do you remember we do the very sound that but teeth like an alligator?
That's right. So do we just think of it like candy? Do we always want to eat the most candy?
Yes.
Yes. So it's just like the greater than sign. You always wanted to eat the bigger number. So let's try one here. Let's do 327 again. Alright, so what do we have here?
3.
300 and
27.
what do we have here?
317.
Okay. So then what's in the hundreds place here?
3.
What do we have in the hundreds place here?
3.
So 3 is,
Equal to 3.
so is that the way, is that the answer though?
No.
No, what do we have to go to if our hundreds are the same or equal to? What do we go to next? Tens place. We go to the next one to the right, correct. Is tens greater than the ones?
Yes.
Yes, so then we need to go to the next greater number, sir.
Like 40, 400, and 100. The 100 is less than 400.
Yeah, that's right, but we're working on this one right here. Look, we're going to look at it with the same, we're working with the same place value on the hundreds here. So both of them have 3, so we have to go to the tens place, that's right, tens place. So what's in the tens place here for 327 is 2. What do we have here?
1.
1. 2 and 1. So is 2 greater than, less than, or equal to 1?
Greater than.
Greater than. So 327 is greater than,
317.
correct. 327 is greater than 317. Because when we had the same hundreds, we went to the tens, correct. Good job. Alright, let's work, we're going to work on some word problems here. And it's very important when we do word problems that we read and listen to the whole word problem. Understand what the question is asking you, okay? Billy has 251 pennies. Sam has 181 pennies. Who has more? So how many does Billy have?
251.
251. How many does Sam have?
181.
181. So where are we going to start at again? We start in the hundreds. So what do we have in hundreds here?
2.
2. 2 in the 251. 181? 1, correct. So is 2 greater than, less than, or equal to 1?
2. Okay, greater than.
Greater than. Alright, come on everybody. I know y'all sleepy and tired. So 2 is
Greater than 1.
2 is greater than 1. So 251 is
Greater than
181, correct. So what's the answer to Billy has 251 pennies, Sam has 181 pennies. Who has more? So Billy, correct. Now if you put 251, that's gonna be wrong. Why is it gonna be wrong? Just say it.
Because that's a specific name.
Specific name. Remember, who has more? It's not asking which one is the greater number. It's asking who is more. So if you just work out the problem and leave it here and show me that 251 is greater than 181, is it going to be counted right?
No.
No.